Weche mamoko bende en kanyo koni jodak ma South Sea boma mabor Nairobi kuchocho onyiso luoro margi kutenore kanyo kod Gorofa moro ma bende gicheche ni kinde mabiro mbele kaendi nyalo biro mukore kendo ruombore piny ka kelo masira malich miwuoro. Jodago yango kanyo koni kite osebedo ka lwar piny kowuok Gorofa no kendo osebedo ka ketho mwandugi. Kinde duto gisebedo ka gigoyo report, kata kamano onge okang' moro amora mosekaw e wach ot maket kod manoendo. Gichiwo duondgi piny ka giywak ne tend kaunti nendo ma Nairobi mondo koyie to donjre wach maket kod manoendo nekech giluor ne ngimagi.
We've had so many complaints. We've gone to NEMA, we've gone to the people who are concerned in the government, and we are wondering what is happening. Why are we not getting any help? Why are we always calling people to come and look at the building? It's closed one day, the next day they start building.
We have been complaining for past 2 years. Our walls have been damaged, our roof has been damaged, my house has been damaged completely on the backside. These people have not even put hoarding. We have been trying to talk to them, our people have been trying to talk to them. My estate chairman has tried his level best. Unfortunately, we are not getting any help.
This size of debris comes from the roof, this size, okay? If this hits a child or even a grown-up, we are talking about serious injury or even death, but they don't care. They are not interested. All they want to do is finish